How are you doing? Yeah.
I don't love it.
Are you not comfortable?
Well, I don't know. It throws my boat around a lot more than I'm used to.
Yeah, I can't sit around waiting for you because
It's going all different ways. I'm not used to that.
yeah, I want just a regular paddle and go. I mean, if you don't like it, then just say so, but yeah. Smoke. There's a lot of kayakers. Alright. Hello. Space is right in front of us. Houseboats are fun. I would guess so. Smells good. Yeah, I don't like you stopping.
I know. I just wanted to tell you one thing.
Well, I'm gonna pass you
How
up.
much they love mango.
Yep. I do too. I do too. Unless I've seen one place. So there's the gas.
Dryer right by their kitchen table.
Yeah. You really don't care when your house is on the water.
Huh?
You don't really care when your house is on the water. See, this is where we could have gotten in over there.
Oh.
And look, they're having a bunch of people over there watching their little party.